Hello, juniors. Welcome back. I hope you had a terrific break and that you're well rested and eager to get back to doing something on schedule. I don't know. Um, all right, so we're in week 3, and we're going to do some background information in order to read the play Antigone. It is required that we do a Greek drama and that we learn some terms. So all juniors read Antigone. Guys, everything's here in the week 3 folder for you. Day 1, I'm going to ask you to watch a classical Greek drama presentation. It also has some information about Sophocles, who wrote the play Antigone. And I need you to complete the closed notes on classical Greek drama. This should take maybe 20 minutes. Okay, it's pretty easy, and the closed notes has most of the notes taken for you. You just have to fill in the blanks. So again, it's pretty easy. Day 2, I'm going to ask you to read and listen to the Oedipus Rex and Oedipus at Colonus summaries and complete the closed notes assignment on that. You need to read Oedipus Rex and Oedipus at Colonus in order to understand the setup for Antigone. Antigone is a story that is a sequel to the Oedipus stories. So we need to know what happens in Oedipus in order to understand Antigone. There is a closed notes assignment for that. It should take you maybe 20 to 25 minutes. Last, on Friday, there is a very short homework assignment that I'm asking you to do. It's a 5-minute presentation on the Royal House of Thebes. There's a family tree with Oedipus and his family, and it goes over some of the relationships and who is deceased and the weird marriage with Oedipus and all of that. So please watch that presentation and complete the closed notes review to check for understanding. That one is due Sunday by midnight, okay? All right. Again, everything that you need is inside this folder. My day 1 slides with instructions are there, and I'll be live with you to talk this over before you start. The closed notes assignment, the classical Greek drama presentation for those notes, day 2 slides with instructions. So I'll go over those with you before I ask you to do the closed notes on Oedipus and to read the summary. You might need the text copy in order to complete the very end of the closed notes. And then your homework on Friday, watch this House of Thebes presentation and complete the closed notes review. Okay? So it's not too hard. Antigone is actually not that hard if you pay attention and work on the learning the names, keeping the characters straight in your head, which is why I'm having you do that Royal House of Thebes assignment and the Oedipus assignment. So I hope that helps you. All right. Well, I look forward to seeing you, and I hope everybody and your families are well. Take care. See you soon.